Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Design Master Color Tool.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we'll be creating a special event centerpiece that transitions in color. In looking at inspiration for today's special events, or visiting Pinterest, many times we see an ombre type arrangement, meaning that it moves from one color at one end to another color at the other end. That natural graduation of color is called ombre. For our project today, we'll use a cool color palette, moving from green to blue. When we do this, we choose similar colors on the color wheel that are actually next to one another. That allows us to move gently from one side to the other. When we think about green to blue, the middle tone is aqua. It's a hard color for us to achieve in natural floral colors, but it's easy for us to achieve using Design Master just for flowers. We'll be using the bright blue at one end of our spectrum today, and the new spring green at the other end. Bringing our flowers across to that side will mean that peacock will fall in the middle. The container that we're using today has a gold leaf appearance. This is really popular too. It was created using gold leaf and TAC 1000, and then enhanced with lemon and daffodil just for flowers. To get the formula for this container, visit dmcolor.com. This beautiful gold leaf look is a perfect accent for our ombre arrangement. In creating an ombre container, we need the entire representation of the color spectrum. That could fall in one flower type, or we could mix and match other flower types. Because blue has so many different shades of blue and so many different types of flowers, our flowers are going to vary all the way across our container. We've picked greens and grasses and viburnum, roses. We have blues in Tweedia and hydrangea, iris, and veronica. And we'll start to mix and match those together using our peacock. So as we create the arrangement, that distinct movement of the color palette will become evident. I'll start at one end of the arrangement using my most intense colors of blue. The delphinium, the alien veronica, and the iris are my most intense blue colors. Then I'll work my way towards the other end. I want to keep in mind that halfway through the arrangement, I want to transition to green. We use hyacinth and enhance them using the bright blue. That gives me more intensity over the top of the lavender color. We'll also bring in our dark blue hydrangeas. These hydrangeas have quite a bit of green, so I can intensify that, again, using the bright blue. I want to make sure that my green end is as equal to my dark blue end. So I'll move down to that end and start with my lightest green tones. The bunny tail and the explosion grass help keep that light green appearance. The green tea roses have a white cast, so they go all the way to the end of that spectrum. Now it's time to transition. One of our hydrangeas is almost perfect, So with a little bit of peacock, it will start to move it towards the green end of our ombre arrangement. Tweedia works perfectly in here too. There's a slight bluish-green cast. And then we'll use our Arrangement. We'll hit it heavily with the peacock to give it more intensity and get it headed towards our green end. Spring green on our millet. The flame millet itself, with spring green on it, gives us that fresh, intense green that would follow our aqua blue. We have Anastasia Fujimums, along with Viburnum and Hydrangea to complete the green color palette. An arrangement with a color transition like this will certainly cause attention. And using colors from Design Master makes the transition easy. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.